BTC, you think say easy? Bitcoin not be child's play, oh. Or Saro saying BTC what 300k.
So many people have been asking me, how do you grow a small account? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to grow your $50 or $100 to $1,000 every single month. We are going to be using a particular risk management strategy, and we are also be using the major pairs. So just follow my instructions, and if you have any questions, you can comment down below. So what we want to do now is, let's say you have $50 or $100 in your Binance Futures wallet. This applies to those who are using Bybit, KuCoin and BitGet. So what I'll do is, right now I have $92 in my Binance Futures wallet. So let's say I want to grow this money to $1,000. What we need to do next is, we need to find a nice setup that will give us 1:4 or 1:3 risk reward ratio on each trade. This means that each trade that we are entering, our potential profit will be around 3 times or 4 times of what we are risking. So I will tell you to just focus on the major pairs. We have XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum, and we also have Bitcoin. So the first thing that you need to do is, you need to select the days that you are going to be trading. So I'll advise you start trading Bitcoin on Monday or Sunday, then Ethereum and Litecoin on Thursday and maybe Wednesday. So let's see, we want to trade right now. We are going to be using a particular strategy called the moving average crossover. With the moving average crossover, we are going to be using the 50 EMA on a 1 hour time frame or a 4 hour time frame on the major pairs that I mentioned: XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, and this thing. So now that we know how to set our take profit and stop loss, we need to change the time frame from 1 hour to 4 hours just to look at the chart and see the current market trend. So when I change the Bitcoin to the 4H time frame, we can see a falling wedge. Anytime a falling wedge happens, there will be a reversal in the market, a breakout. So you can see this pullback at the downside. That means the sellers could not push the price down further, and we had a pushback to the upside. I'm using this horizontal lay here to set my stop loss. So this will be our entry around $26,559. Then our exit point will be around $27,100. This trade will be 1:3 or 1:4 risk reward ratio, which is good. So now let's calculate how much we are going to use to enter each trade. So because we are trading crypto, right now my account balance is $92. So let's say I want to use 10% as cost. I'll just divide 10% divided by 100 times 92. So that means my cost will be $9.2. So this is my margin, will be $9.2. Then we are going to be risking 3% of our account. So 3%, so 3 divided by 100 times 92. So if we enter a trade and we lose $2.76, we are going to cancel the trade. So remember what we are going to do. So we are going to drag the margin here. As we are dragging it, we can see the cost changing. So remember, we are going to use $9.2 on this trade. So we have $9 here. It's okay, we have $9.2 here. Then we click on the price prediction tools at the left hand side. So when I click on it, remember we are going long. The reason why we are going long is when we click on the 1H time frame, we can see the exponential moving average crossing the candlesticks. So each time you see the exponential moving average on either the 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame crossing the candlesticks with a push to the upside, like these particular pin bars, then this means we are going to have a reversal in the market. So what we can do is, we can enter a buy position. So remember, we'll add our long position wick here. Then our stop loss will be around $25,600. Then our take profit will be, this is 1:2.5 risk reward ratio. So let's increase it to 1:3 risk reward ratio on the nearest support level. So almost 1:3 risk reward ratio. So I'll take profit to be 27,000. So $27,100. Then we have our stop loss to be 25,607 dollars. Then we enter a market order. Remember, we are using cross margin with 20x leverage, so we just enter a buy position here. Okay, so when we enter a buy position, it will appear at the positions. So this is where we know how much we are currently making on the trade. And remember our risk. If we have entered this trade and we lose $2.75, we are going to cancel it. But if we are able to make, like, let's say 5% or 4% of our account, we'll close the trade again. So for you to close the trade, what you just need to do is just click on market here to close the position. You can give it 24 hours. So each trade that you are going to trade, make sure it's 1:4 or 1:3 risk-reward ratio. Each time too you are going to trade, go to the economic calendar, the investing.com app. So when you come here, you are going to check for the daily news that are currently coming out that particular day. So I've just showed you how to double your account using the risk management reward ratio of 1:3 or 1:4 with an exponential moving average, the 50 EMA. So if you have any questions, you can just comment down below or click the first link and join the Telegram group.